get this look. It only took me about 5 minutes. This is going to be your summer no makeup look for mature skin. First off, I did my full skincare routine. I went in with an SPF, and then as my base, I went in with the Tower 28 Sunny Days. This also contains SPF, so it's super important for me to layer up that sun protection. Going in with the Hula Wave, this is their cream bronzer, and I'm not going to contour today. I'm just gonna come in with this bronzer. This bronzer is beautiful because it is waterproof and it wears for over 12 hours. We are riding bikes today downtown, so I'm gonna need to be sweat proof. I'm in the sun today, so I'm going to use an SPF blush. Your cheeks are probably one of the easiest areas to get those dark spots from the sun, so it's really good to layer up. Ooh, this one's so pretty too. All right, and if you go a little crazy, don't worry. We're gonna still come in a little bit with concealer. I love the Maxine Revenge. This is the French Face Concealer. It is perfect for mature skin. You want to dab your brush into that, soak it in there really, really well. At our age, we do not want to go in heavy. I like to take it around my nose first before putting it in areas that are more prone to creasing. I work that in really well with my sponge. At this point, I do a little bit of a spray. This will just keep me hydrated as well as set that cream makeup I just did before going into my powder. While that sets, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I like to just take any makeup out of them. My favorite is the Benefits Precisely My Brow. It is the best point. It is the easiest to use. I literally draw a line on top. I come into the sides here. I fill in. So that's what we have. We went from that to that in literally seconds. And then you're gonna give it a good brush to get all those harsh lines out. Rare Beauty is my favorite. Second favorite is going to be the 24-hour setter by Benefits. Take your NYX Cosmetic pencil, and I like to use this bright one, and I just rub it all over my lids like this, and then blend it out. Take your powder, bronzer, or contour. This is both, and just get right above your crease, your nose. And if you want a little button nose, take the contour middle and just do your tip here. You can take that bronzer contour and just warm up little areas of your face and set your cream contour. Here's a little trick. Do a little squinting like this. And then what we're gonna do is, if you have any crease concealer, you're going to reblend that in. Smile, smile. Just take your brush without any more product on it and remove anything excess. And then we're going to powder. Just a tiny bit. Powder, 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 powder. Okay. Before we powder the rest of our face, any wrinkles you have on your face, see how I have 2 ones on my forehead that are pretty deep? We're going to stretch them out and take out any excess makeup out of those lines. Okay, trust me on this. This is going to make your skin smooth and seamless, okay? I get wrinkles right here on my lips. We're gonna do the same. Now we can powder. I love the Kosas, no talc in it, perfect for mature skin. You don't need a lot of powder, but look how nice that makes the makeup look. Instead of looking greasy, you look glowy and healthy. And there it is, quick and easy. Let me know what you think in the comments.